Hello everyone. This is the momentum loaner they gave me, the car dealership gave me, because my Inspiron has a lot of issues with the car, the center IC or whatever they call that unit. They replace it, but it also has a AC issue. So I told them about it, but what I'm trying to show you is this is my loaner car they gave me. So let me show you the same issue with the loaner car. All you had to do is turn on the AC to max, make sure that's all auto max, and just listen to this. I'm adjusting here so you can see the noise. See the hissing? It's like a DJ table. Then we try this one. So it's very annoying. It's a brand new car. This is a 2021 loaner, and it has only 1,600 miles plus. Here, I will show you the papers on this car. So there it is. It's a brand new car. The okay, let me lower this or turn it off. Okay, I'm going to turn on the AC to the high to what was that? Can you hear that hissing noise?